Welcome back to our channel and to our first-time home buyers, sa mga newlywed, to those who are looking for their first investment, and those families who are not into massive properties. This property is for you. This is a modern Scandinavian house and lot located in one of the sought-after subdivision in Angeles City. Plus, this sought-after subdivision is in the heart of Angeles City. Before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. This is a 190 square meters floor area property sitting on 120 square meters lot area. And as you can see guys, team puti po tayo dahil very light po ang ating ang palette natin. You can see like, I was trying to figure out, is this yellowish or parang beige? But yun dun nagpe-play yung colors niya. You have white, more of white. And then what I love about it, yung bristolay natin sa taas, matchy-matchy siya sa ating gate. It really looks nice. Kung mapapansin niyo sa facade natin, very straightforward lang naman siya. You have a simple landscaping. And also, your fence, you have a glass. Actually, this glass, I think, is frosted. So, it's frosted. So, hindi naman nakikita sa loob. But meron siyang, alam mo yon, may konting accent na hindi lang puro wall yung makikita nyo. Ang ganda din na landscaping natin dahil very neat, very zen, very relaxing yung mga plants na linagay natin dyan. You have a manual gate. Ang parking natin is parallel parking. So kung makikita nyo, parang maliit yung gate natin, but dahil parallel parking siya, so magkatapat yung sasakyan when you park it. Makikita nyo yan pagpasok natin, kaya let's go. Pagpasok nyo, meron ka ring small garden here. At ang yung porch, this is a wide porch. Mapapansin nyo naman dito. I just want to show kung gaano ka-spacious yung porch natin. You have a plant box. You can see an aircon kasi yan, included po yan. At ayan pa, ang ganda ng garden natin. Diba? Ang linis. Ang ganda ng kanyang, pagkaka-landscape niya. Before tayo pumasok, I want to show you yung parallel parking natin. And that's where I'm going right now. This is your parallel parking, diba? Ang haba-haba siya. So, like other properties na hindi siya parallel, minmaximize niya yung space kasi para, there's enough for 2 cars, pwedeng 1 car and then a van, pwede ring electric bike, motorcycles, and you also have your tank, at meron din siyang filter. So, yung filter na to, ayan. Naka-ready na po yan. That goes, of course, pag-purchase nyo ng property natin. This side, this is your dirty kitchen, but I want to show you kung paano or yung access niya from the inside. Kaya, wait lang. Ang ganda ng ceiling natin. Ayokong hindi i-mention, wood design ng ating ceiling with spotlights. Fully covered, so protected po ang ating mga sasakyan. Your porch, meron ka na ring screen gate. Sa ating mga Filipino, very important. Gustong-gusto nila yung may screen door ka pala, screen gate. Pero you have your solid door. And furnished po ang ating property, so expect furnitures. And I hope you like what's inside because napaka-cozy ng ating property. Let's go! See, sobrang cozy. So this is your solid door with the white handle. And this is your living area. Kaya we mentioned that this is perfect for first-time home buyers, sa mga newlywed, kasi everything you need nandito na without yung sobrang laki. Hindi siya sobrang laki. It's the size is perfect, and also hindi siya mahirap linisin dahil hindi nga siya ganoon kalaki, but hindi na sacrifice yung elegance and yung coziness ng ating property. This is your living area. As you can see, neutral color pa rin tayo. So you can add more color if you want kapag na-purchase nyo na. But I love yung mga pag-pop ng mga orange dito sa ating living area. Your TV console, everything you see during our house tour, these are all included. This goes with the property. Even yung mga decorations na yan kasama. Mapapansin nyo, napaka-luwang pa dito when you walk. I would like to emphasize yung space ng ating living area, very cozy, pero hindi siya masikip. And a few steps naman, nandito na tayo sa ating dining area. Ang ganda ng fluted panel dito as your accent wall. Actually, you can add a TV dito kung gusto mo dito ka may TV. Diba? If you don't want to sa living area, pwedeng dito mo ilagay yung TV mo. Mas malaking TV, you can put it there kasi may mga socket ka naman dyan. Or a frame, or a painting. Perfect din po yan. Your dining area, I just love the dining area and the drop light kasi para siyang magic carpet. Pupo ko para makita nyo. This is a 6-seater dining set. So lahat yan, kasama na po yan. Bakit siya 6-seater? Bakit siya 6-seater? So you have 4 chairs at meron kang bench stool dito. So you can pull it or kung ayaw mo naman siya, pwede mo siyang ipasok na lang siya. So these are all included. Next, your formal kitchen and your breakfast nook. This is your breakfast nook. As you can see, meron ka ng 3 stools na naka-ready dyan. And you have, hindi ba ito spot? Oh, these are pin lights. Sparkling white quartz countertop ang ating waterfall countertop. So yung waterfall countertop, yung diretso siyang ganyan, wala siyang sulok. It's more neat, it's more clean, tignan. Lalo na modern Scandinavian yung ating, I love modern Scandinavian na theme kasi very madali siyang ternohan dahil yung colors natin more on neutral lang na light. And then, modern dahil yan sa functionality ng ating property. Side-by-side Samsung refrigerator, that is also included. And gusto kong pakita sa inyo yung space dito because kapag nagluluto ka, so these are included cooktop and range hood, sobrang luwang, di ba? Sobrang luwang pa niya. And you also have here your mga pull out for your dishes. Spacious ng iyong preparation area. Your splashboard, madali ring linisan. May mga cabinets ka pa dyan, may mga drawers. And this is, eto pa, meron pa dito sa taas. See? Condiments, dito mo lagay, or if you want to showcase your plates, pwede mo ilagay dyan, and other accent that you want for your formal kitchen. Ang ganda rin ng track light. Just want to show you yung track light na. Yung track light, pwede nyo yung i-move. Kung gusto niyo na itutok siya dito sa breakfast nook ninyo, pwede mo siyang i-move doon. You can, move kung saan mo gustong i-focus yung light niya. So, aside from aesthetic, functionality din. This door goes to the laundry area and the dirty kitchen. Yun yung sinabi ko kanina. So, pag bukas ko nito, makikita nyo na rin yung water tank kasi yun yung dulo kung saan ako nakastay kanina. There. You also have your screen door. So, if you need na open lang to, pwede mo yung nandyan lang. This is your auxiliary kitchen, your dirty kitchen, your service kitchen. Very spacious din. Double bowl stainless steel sink. You have your drawers. Diba? What I like about it pa, malapit lang siya sa formal kitchen. So, pag bukas mo, diretso ka na doon. Ito yung kaninang pinuntahan natin. Sige, pakita natin. Nandito yung tank. At nandito na po yung inyong carport. Diba? I love kung paano yung pagkakagawa ng property dahil na-maximize yung space pero hindi na-sacrifice yung gandain yung design ng ating property. Pasok tayo ulit doon para akyat na tayo sa second floor. Pasok natin, bago tayo umakyat sa ating second floor, you also have your full bath sa ground floor. At ang ganda din ng color niya kasi napakalinis. Pasok tayo, guys. Have your vanity mirror, vanity cabinet. There. Tapos, vessel type sink. May cabinet ka rin dyan. May space pa dito for your trash bin. And you have a tempered glass partition. Diba? Ang ganda, ang cozy ng... Gustong-gusto ko yung mga ganitong tiles sa bathroom. Parang sobrang linis niyang tignan. Stainless steel shower set, rain shower, hand shower. Meron ka ring... What else? Piano type siya. And, yan, dito yung niche mo for your shampoo and soap. Meron ka ring towel rack. Next to your bathroom is your mate's room. This is your maid's room. Meron na siyang dalawang, or you have a double deck. But you can still add a drawer here or yung for your cabinet, or cabinet, pwede rin. Drawer, yan. Dresser. If you don't want this na maid's room, you want it to be an office, pwede rin naman siya. You want it to be a library, pwede rin. You want to make it another room sa baba, pwede rin naman. Before we proceed sa taas, I just want to show you your open stringer na stairwell. Naghang tayo ng very light. Yan ang yung open stringer na stairwell. And nakita niyo ba yung space dito? Can you imagine kids playing here? Hindi sila, di ba? The property is not massive, but you have so much space to play. Your fur baby, pwede rin siya dito. And you also have mga pull-outs for your shoes or for other things that you want. Your stairwell has a wood handrail and glass railings. Dito rin, oh. Diba? Sobrang spacious. Akyat na tayo para makita na natin yung mga ibang rooms. Let's go. This is your landing. Ang cute din nung pagkakagawa ng stairs niya. Kasi, pag nandito ka, since this is glass, you can see everything sa baba. Diba? Kita mo na yung living area, lahat. Kita mo na. Ganun yung ganda sa mga bahay, diba? Kita mo lahat. Landing, you can see your wide window na mayroon ng blinds and your very pretty chandelier. Pang Olympics yung chandelier natin. Ang ganda. Okay, akyat na tayo. We have 3 bedrooms sa ating second floor. At, etong nakikita yung daan na yan, that goes to your balcony. Parang gusto kong mauna dito. At ang ganda ng view here. Look, oh, diba? Very nice. Buksan natin siya. And open. This is your balcony. Okay, dito muna ako to show you a bristle. Bristle doesn't just add aesthetic. It also, it avoids yung direct tama ng sunlight sa mga windows or yan. Since may window dito, mayroon tayong bristle para hindi gaanong or hindi pumag-pass through yung ray of the sun para hindi mainit doon sa loob. So aside from an aesthetic, very functional. That is your modern Scandinavian residential. Okay. Paglakad natin dito, this side, pwede kang mag-add ng table dahil kasya pa. Round table, coffee table, rattan swing, or yung mga bench lang, pwede rin. Pwede mo rin siyang lagyan ng artificial grass if you want to add more plants dito to make it mas cozy. Pwede. At you have a view of your neighborhood. Pasok na tayo at mauna na tayo sa room katabi ng ating or next to your balcony. This is your first bedroom. Again, included na yan. So you have your bed, may bed frame ka na rin. Ito yung view kanina. Diba? Wide window, just in case na ayaw mo mag-aircon. Open mo lang ang window na yan. Ventilation is perfect. dahil malaki yung mga windows mo. So, hindi ka nasusuffocate talaga. And here, this is your queen size bed. May bed frame ka na. And your wall there, pwede ka maglagay ng hanging shelves, diba? Or accent wall yung mga parang hardboard na merong mga design na may mga patterns. Maganda. Maganda siya doon. Kasi yung color, yun yung maganda pag yung color ng property is neutral na light. Marami kang pwedeng ilagay kasi sobrang nagpa-pop talaga yung colors. This side, this is where you will mount your TV. Pwede kang, ang luwang pa niya pwede kang maglagay ng hanging drawer dyan. Kung gusto mong hindi naka-mount yung TV mo, pwedeng nakapatong lang. Pwede. Or just the console here. Pwede rin. Aircon included. You also have your built-in cabinet na may drawers na nasa labas. For your luggage. At meron ka pang storage. Ang bango. Bango. Meron ka pang storage sa taas. Alright, next. Another bedroom. Same ng design. Magkaiba lang ng headboard, magkaiba lang ng accent sa yung bed. And also the window, mas malaki yung sa kabila, but still malaki yung window mo dito. Spacious pa. Kung gusto mo mag-add ng dresser dito or ng side table, magkabila, pwede ka pa maglagay. Dito, spacious din. TV, you can put hanging drawer or hanging console, hanging shelves for your TV. Or pwede mo na lang i-mount dyan. This side, tignan mo dito, pwede ka pang mag-add ng dresser or your study table. Same design ng cabinet. See? Perfect. So nice. Ang ganda rin nung floor natin, yung ating mga tiles sa floor. Kung mapapansin nyo, hindi sila square. They're planks. Kaya mas nafe-feel mo na kwarto. Mas nafe-feel mo na, diba, yung mga ganyang klase, even before. Sobrang cozy tignan. Hanggang dito yan. Diba? Sa second floor, ganyan lahat yung ating mga tiles. This side, this is your full bath. So may common bathroom ka sa second floor. Which is square type, enclosed shower area. You have your toilet there. Meron kang vessel type sink. At malaki ang iyong vanity mirror. Can be your medicine cabinet. Tadaan! Vessel type sink. Yan. Shower area. Enclosed shower area. Dito. Next is your master bedroom. Ang bilis, di ba? Pero makikita mo, lahat maganda. Lahat, functional. Kahit na, some people kasi they think na pag malaki yung bahay, dun lang magkakasya lahat. But no. This size is perfect. This is your master bedroom. King size bed. Ganda, di ba? At, of course, may bed frame ka na. Dito yung TV console or your TV area. Pwede mong ipatong dyan. Pwede mong i-mount. At ito ang yung CCTV control booth or control area. Monitor. Pwede mo tong takpan. Parang alam ko may takip to. Or baka mali ako. Hala, baka mag-ano pa ako ng takip. Pero yun, pwede mo itong lagyan ng takip if you want. You have open shelves dyan. For other stuff, your books. Ano pa bang pwede ilagay dyan? Plants, pwede rin. At syempre, dahil ito ay master bedroom, meron siyang sarili niyang balcony. This is your balcony and I just want to open your blinds. Oh, ha? At kita mo yung view, green. Marami pa pong puno dito sa subdivision na to. Time check tayo. It's around, I think, 5 past 5. Kaya ganyan po ang itsura dito sa ating subdivision. Medyo padilim na po tayo. But you can see may mga plants tayo dyan. And very cozy. Kung halimbawa gusto mo mag-breakfast dito, no? Sarap mag-breakfast dito. Gusto mo mag-merienda dito, pwede rin with a view of your subdivision. At saka also this property, this is malapit sa sa entrance, pero hindi siya yung sobrang lapit. I mean, nakikita mo yung entrance, so you know that it's close. Pwede mo siyang lakarin actually. So makikita mo, makakapunta ka pa doon sa mga shops sa labas pa ng subdivision natin. Diba? O, palit tayo sir para makita nila gaano ka. There you go. Diba? Pasok na tayo dahil ang iyong master bedroom, meron niyang, favorite ko to, walk-in closet, going to your master bathroom. This is your walk-in closet. Diba? Oh, dito muna tayo. This is your vanity mirror. Add ka ng chair. You can add light. Meron ka ng mga cabinets here at sa taas. But wait, there's more kasi on this side, you have your full body mirror and this is also your cabinet. Aside from that, dito pa, sige sir, gusto mo bang pumasok? Palit kami ng pwesto. May shelves ka dyan. For your bags, for your shoes, or anything you want. This side, kung di nyo napansin kanina, your vanity area, may drawer for your makeups. Tapos pwede ka maglagay ng, alam mo yung mga light na pang, yung maraming bulb. Diba? Perfect. This is your master bathroom. Ay, sir, kita ka. This is your master bathroom. Pagpasok mo dito, unang bubulaga sa'yo yung iyong vessel type sink. Of course, meron kang cabinet. Medicine cabinet or your vanity cabinet. May task light yan. Your toilet. And this side, dito yung iyong shower area. Tempered glass partition with stainless steel shower set. Ang ganda ng color niya kasi metal gun color yung color niya. Yung hindi black, yung hindi siya... Can you see the color? Maganda yung ganitong kulay kasi matchy-matchy siya sa mga colors ng light brown yan. Mas malamig siya sa mata. Ganda, di ba? There. So this is your master bathroom and I think that's it. Baba na tayo para sa ating recap. For our recap, this is a modern Scandinavian designed property located in one of the sought-after subdivision in Angeles City. The community is flood-free. This is also in the heart of Angeles City, so in close proximity to schools, malls, markets, universities, hospitals, and all major business establishments. So, ganun po ka-accessible ang ating location. 24-hour security service din po at maganda po yung amenities dito sa subdivision. They have their clubhouse, their pool, meron din silang basketball, badminton, and tennis courts. They also have sa mga nakita ko na, 3 na yung nakita kong playgrounds for your kids. Kaya sa community-wise po, very advisable at very marirecommend po talaga namin ang location nitong ating property. And this property, this is perfect for first-time home buyers, sa mga small families, sa mga newlywed, sa mga nagsistart pa lang ng family, sa mga naghahanap ng first investment nila, this property is perfect for you. And also, to those who doesn't or to those who would want to have yung not a massive property but yung perfect yung size na residential, this is the one for you. Low maintenance, furnished na, so wala ka nang iintayin or wala ka nang ibang iisipin. You just have to bring your stuff. Meron ka nang ref meron ka nang cooktop, so you know, you just have to bring your clothes. Meron ka na rin mga beds. Kaya perfect na pwede ka nang tumira dito if you purchase this property. Ano pa ba yung magaganda? Yung walk-in closet. I love the walk-in closet dun sa master bedroom natin kasi maraming space. Tapos you have your vanity area pa. At hindi na-sacrifice yung space nung closet. Maluwang yung closet. So, pagpasok mo, hindi masikip pag nagpapalit ka ng damit. Tapos, makikita mo pa ng maayos dun sa iyong full body mirror. Yon. Favorite ko rin yung full body mirror natin. What else? Yung architectural design niya, I love how they made it functional sa lahat ng corners niya. Lalo na yung sa parking natin. 'Di ba? If others, they will just make it like a single parking. But this one, they made it to parallel parking para mas na-maximize yung space natin. At kung makikita niyo siya in person, maluwang talaga siya. You can really park two vehicles there. Car, a van, pwedeng-pwede yan. Pwede ka pa maglagay ng motorcycle. So, that's what I love about this. What else? Yung color niya, gustong-gusto ko yung design, yung interior. Nakikita nyo naman yung interior natin, even yan, sa ating dining area. I love yung drop light natin na parang magic carpet. I love it, the color, kasi hindi siya mahirap ternuhan. So, madali para malagyan ng mga, yung, if you want to express your pagiging, yung artist, your artistic side, pwede ka mag-add. Dahil hindi po kayo mahirapan magterno or mag-match ng mga designs or decorations dito sa ating property. And sa mga viewers natin, what did you like about the property? Pwede kayo mag-comment sa ating comment section. At kung interested naman kayo, you can catch us on our Facebook page, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Message nyo lang po kami sa Messenger to schedule your tripping. But for sure, nakita nyo na to sa mga reels natin. So you can catch us on our Facebook page, Messenger, WhatsApp, Viber. Meron kaming mga different platforms, messaging platforms. Instagram, follow us on Instagram, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. And sa TikTok, BP Pampanga, dahil there, we will be posting reels before pa po may publish ang ating full video. You can also follow me on TikTok, Enalalu, and same name po, Enalalu, on Instagram to book your tripping style. For sure, nakita nyo na nga yung reels na ito. And if you like the property at hindi ka pa naman nakasubscribe, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house. To those who are searching for mali agad. Mali. And ayan. Ay! Ulit. And ay, hindi ko napakita yung landing natin. Pakita ko yung landing natin. Ulit. You have your king size bed. Ay, natapilok ako.